Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Amazon Fire tablet. First, power on your new Fire tablet and follow the simple on-screen setup wizard. You'll need to connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to access all its features. Next, register your device with your existing Amazon account or create a new one if you don't have one. Finally, familiarize yourself with the home screen layout and basic navigation gestures like swiping and tapping. Your Fire tablet offers a world of entertainment. Head to the Amazon App Store to download thousands of applications, from games to productivity tools. Dive into Amazon's extensive library for Kindle books, Prime Video movies, and Amazon Music. For families, Amazon Kids provides a safe, curated environment with robust parental controls. Remember to regularly manage your downloaded content to optimize your tablet's storage, which can range from 16 gigabytes to 64 gigabytes. Make your Fire tablet truly yours by customizing its settings. Adjust the display brightness and font size to suit your preferences, ensuring comfortable viewing. Tailor notification settings for individual apps so you only receive alerts that matter to you. Enhance security by setting a lock screen password or PIN. Don't forget to explore the accessibility options, which offer features like screen readers and text-to-speech for a more inclusive experience. To keep your Fire tablet running smoothly, optimize battery life by reducing screen brightness and closing unused background applications. Always perform regular software updates to benefit from the latest features and security enhancements. If you encounter common issues like Wi-Fi connectivity problems or app crashes, a simple restart often resolves them. For more complex problems, Amazon's comprehensive online support and customer service are readily available to assist you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.